For both explorers and luxury enthusiasts, the future of ultra-luxury mobility is intriguing. Imagine a vehicle that transforms road travel, a work of art that combines legendary performance with the conveniences of a mobile penthouse. That is the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. From the outside, the motorhome exudes an unmatched feeling of Aston Martin enthusiasm. The sleek matrix LED headlamps and the strong Aston Martin front grille with vertical slats exude performance even when still. The aerodynamic and flowing body lines, which are made of lightweight carbon fiber panels with a shimmering Q by Aston Martin sheen, were inspired by their grand tourer concepts. The impression of sportiness and outstanding performance are further enhanced by large forged wheels with an innovative multi-spoke design that are surrounded by vibrantly colored carbon ceramic brake calipers. There could be a hidden hydraulic slide-out feature that would expand the living space while parking, in addition to the side door's seamless body integration that keeps the vehicle appearing like new. Beneath its luxurious exterior, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's heart beats with incredible vitality. This powerplant is similar to the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine seen in Aston Martin sports cars. Towing heavy loads is a breeze thanks to this RV's engine and cutting-edge 48V mild hybrid system, which produce 600 to 700 horsepower and a ton of torque. All-wheel drive, AWD, and a 9-speed automatic gearbox offer a secure and cozy ride on a variety of terrains. An electrically powered adjustable air suspension system ensures outstanding comfort even on the roughest terrain. As you can see, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's dashboard expertly combines elegant design with modern practicality. Hand-selected bridge of Weir leather and opulent, shiny carbon fiber embellishments surround the driver's surroundings. Clear images for augmented reality navigation and vital vehicle data are provided via a full-width digital instrument cluster behind the wheel. A sizable, fashionable, and responsive OLED touchscreen infotainment display that seamlessly integrates with a dashboard sits in the middle. An easy-to-use interface that mimics the cockpit ambience of a high-end Grand Tourer controls a superb Bowers & Wilkins sound system, a multi-zone temperature management system, and a customizable head-up display. After going past the cockpit, you arrive at the spacious living space, a mobile lounge designed for leisure and entertainment. High-end features include polished hardwood floors, Alcantara-coated wall panels, and a gorgeously decorated ceiling. Unmatched comfort is offered with hand-stitched, premium leather sofas and armchairs that are custom-made. The large panoramic windows offer stunning views of the surroundings, despite the tranquil seclusion offered by motorized coverings. An adjustable LED ambient lighting system produces the perfect ambience, whether you're looking for a brightly lit room or a peaceful, quiet environment. There is silence in the master bedroom. The main feature is a king-size bed with silk or Egyptian cotton linens and a top-notch orthopedic mattress. Acoustically treated walls and ceilings ensure a tranquil sanctuary. Cleverly hidden are built-in closets with many storage drawers and inside illumination. A large OLED TV screen integrated into the wall and a personal sound system create an immersive entertainment experience. The curtains may be opened or closed with your finger, and a touch control panel next to the bed allows you to adjust the lighting and temperature. The bathroom of the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is an opulent retreat. The Italian Carrara marble flooring and gleaming chrome accents give the space the appearance of a private spa. It is rejuvenating to take a bath in a large walk-in shower with body and rain shower jets. A porcelain toilet with a hidden bidet, twin marble basins with designer taps, and an LED-lit mirror are examples of opulent amenities. With hidden storage and a contemporary ventilation system that keeps the air pure, the area is maintained tidy. This RV's kitchen is really practical and well-designed. A full-size Sub-Zero freezer and refrigerator, a Gaggenau induction cooktop, a convection oven, and an integrated dishwasher are examples of high-end built-in appliances from top manufacturers. Natural stone worktops with a matching backsplash and specially designed carbon fiber cabinets offer plenty of storage. The kitchen island can be rearranged for even greater versatility, and a bar area with an integrated wine cooler ensures that you'll always be ready to toast when you get at your next destination.